Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Book Rig. This is part two of the logging of truckers get distracted. Yes, as we left off, we were here at Distract
Yes.
Trip,
Yes.
where many things happened.
Let's not talk about that. Please
Yeah,
let's not talk about
yeah,
that.
yeah. Let's
We're on the part two.
part two.
But actually, made a VR video today. A background VR. Don't know.
And let's go.
Ready to go, Rick. Ready to go, Rick?
Yeah. Okay, let me back this thing up.
Finally get to the canyons after spending the night out here. Whoa! Oh, your truck glitched. Oh god.
Yeah, it looks like my log's almost falling out.
Your logs did fall out on my screen, but everyone. We have a take left.
Actually, no, this way leads straight to the highway.
No. Oh, wow, that's my truck thing.
Be careful, this is a dirt road. If it rains, this could get muddy, we could slip off.
And technically get stuck in the mud.
Yeah.
So it's a good day, nice day, not rainy. So
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, but the canyon might have some hard roads from the earthquake that happened. We might have to drive on the dirt road there.
You might have to pull your mic in a bit, like a tiny bit closer.
Is this better?
I think so.
What about now?
Okay, that's better.
So yeah, we gotta go down to the canyon. So potentially we might have to take another log. You know what I mean? Might have to do some more logging later.
Or it determines if we get distracted again. Oh no! Okay, I saved my truck, but I literally tipped my log trailer on the back. Okay, here we go.
True. For me, your logs were spinning. Where your trailer disconnected.
My trailer isn't disconnected.
It was on my screen. Oh, I'm drifting. It's still a bit muddy out here. It's still a bit muddy. Ah, you didn't. No. So just speed straight on the highway. Go on the highway. Oh, my log's coming. Yeah, are you okay?
Steering guy, well, you need to stop. Okay, there we go. Boom.
Let's go.
Just to say, when we need to make transition, we are going to have to pause our video, okay? So, bibbidi boobidi boo!
Can pull over out of this garage? I think I have a flat tire or something.
Okay. But we made it to the canyon, finally, after like 8 hours of driving.
Well, yeah, I mean, what was it going to
Like, an hour.
You need a gas stop. We need a gas station. I'm running low on fuel. Yep, right here, my front tire. I don't know if I have a spare. You have a spare? On the night.
Yeah, let me check the back of my shirt. Yeah, there we go. Bam!
Put it on. No, that's not how you do it. Okay, let me jack it up. This thing's heavy. There you go. Oil off.
And a bam. Should be on there.
Son of a lights, just relax.
Here's the thing. It's dark. It's a bit dark out here, so I'm leaving mine on.
Turn them off for now, because I just want to relax. Man, it's raining, it's all muddy. Did you see that accident on the highway?
Yeah, I did. That was some frantic accident.
Yeah, I didn't know. What was that, tanker trailer or something?
Yeah, it went kablooey.
Yeah. Oh, Oh, we might want to go. We're late for the drop off. We're late for the drop off. Oh, we have to go down the hill. You ready?
Come on, Chuck. Okay, so shut off HUD. Shut off HUD.
Here we go. Oh.
I'm in fourth gear automatically, so.
Oh god. Okay, slow down. Just be slow, okay?
So I would say let me be ahead because I'm the one that's going to probably slam throttle.
No, I'm just rolling down. Oh, my man! My man got taken over.
Hey, that's why you need to be in God mode.
Hazards, turn on hazards. Can't forget those.
Yeah, I'm actually going to take on the inside because I don't want to go flying off the cliff.
Yeah, let's protect the inside.
And also, I like how the engines in this game actually slowly throttle up now.
Yeah.
Before they would just go rain, now they go rain.
Oh, your speed, man.
No, I was just letting this thing glide. That's a steep hill.
Ooh, okay, I'm gonna slow down.
But we gotta be careful.
Turn up your hazards. It's getting annoying. It's gonna make a season.
Yeah, I'm in first person now.
Ooh, this is dangerous. Why did they make us go down this way?
Because this is where the deposit is.
Oh, you okay, man?
Oh no, I lost logs.
Yeah, pull over. Yeah, pull over here.
Yeah. Let's pull over.
Yeah,
I also have to pause.
Alright.
I will be right back.
I paused.
Yes, mom. I am back. Unpause.
I was recording when I started doing my YouTube video on like my phone, and then I paused it. So I hope I can cut that out somehow.
Oh god. Okay, I'm recording. Let's go.
Okay, you got your logs too?
Yeah, we had to pick up we had to pick up the logs hand by hand. It was heavy as turds, right? It was heavy like turds, right, man? Oh, I regret taking the outside now.
Yeah, I'm taking the inside pretty good safely here. Oh, wow! Oh, I'm slipping! I'm slipping off the edge!
Oh no!
God, I can't back up! If I back up, I'm like, oh.
I'm coming!
Oh.
Oh, dude, I'm looking back here. This is like the two rear tires, the two front rear of that right there are like in air.
Yeah, look, mud spot on the road there. I hit that and then my tires started just won't stop going. I'm sliding up the edge.
Yeah, I'll go get a tow truck. I'll go call one.
Yeah, please call one.
Yeah, I will. Okay, I paused my video. Let me go get a tow truck.
Okay.
You know what tow truck I'm getting.
Yes. But dude, no, I actually could not stop. I actually couldn't. I actually come on with it. Dude, the bottom of my trailer is like going up. What? Ah!
Wrong version of the Yeti.
No.
Nope, still wrong version of the Yeti. There we go, right version of the Yeti. Now, insert and go. Coming, bro!
Pause. Pause.
Dude, I'm coming.
Alright. So
Start recording. Start recording, bro. Okay, I called tow. I couldn't find a tow truck driver, so oh. Magical powers.
So you brought your own tow truck.
Yeah, I brought my own.
Oh no! No!
Never mind.
Yeah, please give me Optimus Edge, dude. I can't get out of my truck.
I'm the one here that also has to stay close to the edge.
Man, when are they gonna do that mud pie? Really messed me up there. Oh, okay, come on, try to pull me. Try to pull me, come on, man.
Like get inside of it.
Try to pull me up. Yeah, boy, please, yes, yes, I'm safe.
Okay, let me actually get you onto the road. There you go. Okay, let me attach the things onto this real quick.
There you go. Okay. No checking, go ahead and go leave.
Uh oh.
Where did I slip off the edge again? I almost did.
Yeah, I sent it off the edge out of God mode, so.
Alright, let's go. Man, that was dangerous.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, we might run into it on the road. Yeah.
Oh god, I'm slipping stuff. God, why is it gonna stop raining?
Wait a minute. I think I'm getting a call from the boss. Pull over. Pull over.
Alright.
Ring, 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 ring. Yes, boss. God. Oh, sorry. Internet connection is bad out there. Sorry to say. Rick. Your cargo is going to be dropped off like at the bottom of the canyon. Morty's back there is going to have to be dropped off by the river. So sorry to say, but Morty, you got to drive longer than Rick. I'm sorry about that. There's only one depot. Well, there's actually two, but they're specified for each truck.
Please switch his depot with my depot. I'm not go. If I get stuck, it's gonna take so long for him to get here. I'm gonna run out of fuel.
Here's the thing. Rick has tow trucks, so.
It's gonna take him a long time to get to my destination if I'm stuck in the mud. I'm gonna run out of fuel, and then he's gonna have to pull the dang truck with the trailer.
Here's the thing. Just accept it or you don't get paid.
Fine, I'm going now then.
Hangs up. Okay, so, looks like you got the bad end of the stick. We still have to get down the canyon, but we might run into the other tow truck.
Vlog's coming off. Skin on the road.
Oh, okay. Stopping. There we go.
So.
Up. Oh, my tires are spinning as soon as I hit them dirt.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm losing speed. Hang on, wait for me, man. Hang on, I think I'm running out of fuel.
Oh, okay, I lost a log.
Alright, it stopped raining.
It stopped raining, but you... Yeah, it stopped raining, but you still have to, get to that one end. You still have to get to the river.
Hang on, I think my truck's running out of fuel.
Oh, it looks like there's been an accident. Why don't you just make
Oh,
it slightly cloudy, bro? Oh no, hey, that ground wet looks nice.
man, the ground's still wet though.
Yeah, it looks like there's been an accident.
Like what?
That one tow truck. Look behind you, it should be over there.
Oh man, your log came off and hit my front of my truck.
Wait, what?
Your log! Ah!
No,
Oh!
okay, for me, none of my logs were off the trailer, so that's a decent issue. Just get back on the mountain.
I can't. I'm sliding down the mountain.
Get back on the mountain, bro, please. Use your magic forces. There you go.
Magic forces works.
Yeah, magic forces work and help.
Lights off. Lights off. It's daytime.
We don't have beacons on this thing. We don't have high beams, so.
Yeah, it sucks. We're low beam. You almost went off the edge then.
Oh, okay, I lost a log. It's in your road. Okay. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Oh,
You
I
okay,
tipped.
man?
Yeah, there we go.
Magic forces.
Yeah, magic forces save the day. Oh, unless you speed. Oh, okay, I lost a log. Yeah, I would say maybe just, yeah, sit like this side of the road.
Hey, once you get a paycheck, should we buy some VRs? And then maybe do some back rooms?
Potentially. Oh.
Oh, this road's pretty bumpy. I can't believe I have to go on the day and you don't. Why do I have to go by the river?
Yeah, you have to go by the river, I don't, which is
I'm
practically
pretty sure
sad.
I'm pretty sure they have cars over there for us. Oh, a lot just rolled down the mountain there.
Hmm?
They have some cars there for us to drive home because they're going to repair these things after all the damage it's been through just now. Okay.
Yeah. So,
Oh, the tree!
but here's the
Hey,
thing.
we got people.
I just saw a wheel get tossed.
Yeah, that might be mine. Hey, can we pull over?
Your logs have fallen off. Oh, no, 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 no!
No! Oh! I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm putting my logs back on. Get my logs back on, I'm coming.
The semi's okay. All my logs are scattered around, though.
You good down there?
Yes, now I am. There you go, magic forces.
Don't slip off the road again.
Yeah, the roads is still slick. Like, literally, these things are slick. Like, I'm like,
slipping! My trailer's slipping.
yeah, like, I'll slam on the brakes, and this thing just doesn't stop. That literally tells you how slick these roads are. Oh! Looks like it fell over. Okay, so my depot is still a little bit up a road, so where's the building? Ring 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 ring. Oh yes, boss. Hey, just to say, since we couldn't get the buildings built, so you just have to put your truck on the side of the road where I said you were, so where you needed to stop. So yeah. Okay, bye, boss. Okay, so I stop here. You have to keep going.
Oh, my thing's slipping. I don't know where to go. I don't know how to get on the dead road from here, man.
You go off-roading. That's why anything that,
No, they said we can't because the bottom of this will bottom out so badly.
I'm coming with a tow truck to help you.
Yeah, you just go get your tow truck out here just in case I get stuck. Cause I'm going off road and I guess we get over the line. By the river. This is the dirt road.
I am coming
That is
at
not
like
the dirt
almost
road.
100 miles per hour.
Right, I'm hopping on the dirt road now. It's public. I'm on the dirt road. Now you go by the way.
Okay, wait a
Oh,
minute. I need to do something with the engine. This thing's a bit slow.
it's getting muddy here. Why did the boss make me go through the mud? Out
I
of
do
all
not
people.
know.
Puddle. It's going to ruin the paint. This thing is not stopping the mud. Oh, well, off the mud and back onto the trail.
I see my truck. I'm coming.
I found the garage that you said I needed to go to. I found the garage, he says.
Yeah, let me get close. So you might want to stop.
Now I'm pulling over into the garage. That's what he said I need to pull over
Yeah,
into the
I'll
garage.
get there. Okay, I paused my video. Okay, I'm almost here.
Yep, same. I'm already here waiting for you.
This thing goes a lot faster now too. I decided to
I'm
give
stuck.
it the gear reduction a bit.
I'm stuck in the mud. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm stuck. Oh, oh.
Quick entrance, hey?
Look, you see me stuck in the mud? The bad guys are
I
spinning.
Yeah, I got some big off-road tires, so I don't get stuck.
I hope you connect. Oh, it's kind of attaching my thing. No, I don't want to attach there. There. But I'm gonna hop in the truck and then also we'll gas it up, okay? Oh, this is so hard to pull. Oh, your tires are spinning. My brakes are locking up. They're locking up, dude.
Hmm?
They're locking up.
Mine ain't locking up.
Mine are. My back tires keep locking up.
I'm trying
I
to get
gotta
you onto this
move.
road. I'm trying to get you onto this little dirt road to help.
Okay, yeah, I'm out of the mud now. I'm out of the mud. I'm out of the mud.
You guys steer with me, okay?
Oh, you just hit a rock. Okay, I think I'm on the road.
Yeah, we're on the road. Okay.
Oh, can't disconnect the hooks.
Connected to my wheelchair lights.
Code green. Code green. Alright, here we go. Got me unstuck.
Yep.
That took like half an hour. That kept locking up?
I don't know.
Yeah, about half an hour. My
Ah,
brakes
oh
are
no.
locking
Okay,
up.
there we go.
My
There we go.
brakes are
Ah.
locking up.
How are your brakes
My
locking
brakes
up,
are,
bro?
I don't know, they're locking up somehow. Like, look! They're locking up. This thing, I'm pushing. Oh, I'm spinning. My back tires are spinning hard. My front tires getting stuck in mud.
Dude, this is a dirt road. This isn't mud. This is like, just like, this is just like, has like a bit of like water consistency to it.
Oh
And
no! When that, you know how that earthquake happened? Ever since
yeah.
the earthquake, the road been muddy. This trailer always been muddy now. So now it's always gonna be mud. You know what I mean?
Oh.
So yeah. Oh, come on, truck! Stop getting stuck!
We're almost there.
Oh God, this thing keeps getting stuck. I can't slow down, man. That means fun, because I can't slow down. I'm not gonna be able to slow down by any chance. Because the odds if I do it, this thing gets stuck. If you turn off those lights, please. They're giving me a season.
The top ones?
Yes, they're giving me a season.
Oh, I'm leaving them on because it's like four-way sort of. Ah, it's work lights, bro.
Right here, I got pulled over right here. stuck again. Are you serious?
I'm literally slamming on the brakes.
I don't want to wreck your new car. Oh,
Hey!
what? I tried to. Alright, so we just park our trucks here?
Yep. Okay. That and
Okay,
that off.
Okay,
Okay.
code green.
There we go.
Pause, finally. Ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
You like my new
Dude,
Hummer?
my thing feels good on this road. Look at me go.
You like my new Hummer though?
Yeah, your Hummer's
Oh!
nice. Oh.
This thing came
Oh
out
god.
right.
Okay, my thing has good brakes. Lock.
Oops,
Wee.
Wait, I wanna.
Wee.
Wait, we can't do
Woohoo.
that. Oh!
Ah.
Oh!
Ow.
Oh! Oh!
Ow. Ow. Okay, lucky this thing has a
Okay.
roll cage.
You okay?
Yeah, this thing's got a roll cage.
Ow. Ah!
Rock. Rock.
Ah!
Ah.
Ah!
You almost. Ah.
Ah!
Gotta get up there a bit more. And yee! Ow!
Code green!
Hey guys. So yeah, this is
You missed
part two.
the outro, but
This is part two. Um, yeah, this is part two of the thing. Well, this
yes.
was part two.
I hope you
Yeah.
enjoyed this video. You can check my version down in the description of his thing.
I'll see. I'll see if I can put it in there.
And then I'll
It would
read.
happen once I upload it.
Yeah.
Well, it happened once he uploads this. But yeah. Just to say,
Okay, nice to
guys,
make it next time.
this is we're actually gonna be probably taking a tiny break from Brick Rigs because we're gonna start filming. Okay, go.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing VR, so I might make a VR vid with him. Not really sure.
Yeah.
Next
Well,
week. And look up. So
well,
I'm taking a screenshot. Yeah. Got it. We're good.
okay, well, bye guys. Woo!